It's a 2015 Cadillac SRX. Dramatic elegance and sophistication for your everyday. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, active noise cancellation, OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and V6 engine. Car and Driver notes the SRX has been doing some very heavy lifting for Cadillac, particularly since the Porky DTS was put out to pasture. Cadillac, second to none. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Call us today at 813-565-0061.